Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make luxurious mansion with a swimming pool. We can use the rectangle and drag to the another position. This is anyway, this is about rotate rectangle. So the dimension for this rectangle I will show you. It's around 34 and 47. Okay, and I'll erase and continue. Okay, we can use the line in here, or we can use the rectangle in here. We can make the simple but elegant for this luxury mansion. Okay, and we can erase some unnecessary line in here. We can push it up in here around 5 meter approximately, and we can click this one and move, tap control and place to this position around 4 or 5 meter, and we can push it down. Okay, then we can triple click. Okay, and we can make the window in here. We can click the line here and select move, tap control, place to this position. Okay, place to this position, then we can type 9 slash and enter. Okay, and again, I'm sorry, it's too little. Okay, then we can select a move, tap control and place it this position. Then we can type 5 slash and enter. And again, this one. Okay, then we can type 4 slash and enter. And also for this position. Okay, now we can draw the glazing materials. Okay, this is about the glazing materials. Okay, and after that we can draw the roof. Okay, we can make roof first. Click this surface, copy, paste in place. We can paste in place with this one. Okay, then we can make roof in here and erase some unnecessary line over there. Okay, we can triple click, make group, and erase some unnecessary line again. Okay, then we can draw the swimming pool with using the freehand. This is just for example. Okay, this is for example about the swimming pool. You can assign the water in here using this one, and we can draw again for the landscaping area in here. Okay, it's just for free hand landscaping to make it more a little bit like a paradise in the private house. Okay, and now we can make the another materials. We can make the dark materials of the roof element in here, and we can assign the another materials with this one. Okay, I think I will make it dark materials in here because it look better. Okay, just like this, and we can also make the another canopy in here. Okay, this is about a little canopy. With a white canopy over there, and we can also add more elements like a stick element in here. Okay. Okay, we can erase some unnecessary line over there. Okay, Okay, and I've already prepared the three materials I download from the warehouse, and we can use it. Then we can copy and paste in this position. Okay, to make it more green area in here, and we can move the roof a little bit above. Okay, and we can add some components over there. We can use this component in here and another component in here. Okay, this is the basic concept about the luxurious mansion with the swimming pool. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will show you about the next tutorial in this channel. Thanks for watching and have a good day.